In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the original listing after you've made a purchase on eBay. This can be really helpful if you want to double check the item's description, see the original photos, or confirm seller information post-purchase. Let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the eBay website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL www.ebay.com. Once you're on the site, look towards the top left corner of the page. There you should see a sign in option. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed in, you should enter your credentials, your email or username and your password to log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice an option for My eBay. Hover over or click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you want to find Purchase History. This is where eBay logs all the items you've bought, and it's where you'll go to view your past purchases. Click on Purchase History. Now, this page might appear a bit cluttered if you're an avid eBay shopper, but don't worry, we'll navigate it easily. If you're watching this as a tutorial without recent purchases, the page might be empty, but usually you'll see a list of items you've previously bought. Take a moment to find the item in question. It might take a bit of scrolling, but keep your eyes peeled for the specific item title. Once you've found the item you're interested in, you should see a title that's often displayed as a blue link. Clicking this will bring up more details about your transaction. Alternatively, there might be a button labeled Order Details next to the item. Either option will work. After you click into the order details, look for a link that says View Original Item. This link is your gateway back to the original eBay listing, where you can revisit the important details about your purchase. When you click on this link, eBay will pull up the original listing page. On this page, you should see all the original pictures, the detailed item description, and the information about the seller. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access the original listing of an item you've purchased on eBay. This makes it convenient to review your purchase details or even to contact the seller if you have any post-purchase questions. Thanks for watching, and happy eBaying!